Hello everyone. Let's start in some minutes.
Hello.
Hello Sean. Okay, let me start sharing my screen. And this is the presentation of today. It's 29 of April. Okay, first of all, uh, you already know this slide, how to join the program and the project as well. I try to share some useful link in putting in chat. Okay, let me share again. Yes, perfect. Okay, also shared the link inside this slide for the privacy policy, the term of use, and also the antitrust and code conduct. Okay, about the program. You know that in May we'll close the application period, and we are organizing the application review and interviews. We will be conducted, and we are available for the interview. And at the end of May, you will receive the notification after the selected period. Uh, in any case, we can continue to have meetings on Monday. I also shared, if I remember right, also shared in the chat one link, one example of recorded meeting. If yeah, it's the name is wrong because it's onboarding and task force, something like that, but because it's related to an old channel, an old the previous program, the 2023 edition. But you can use that to find the other recorded meeting on YouTube. Okay, about main call, I try to read. We want to build an open source framework of an AI chatbot which replies to questions related to online documentation. Yeah, the best use cases are for users, developer, and team members that should avoid to read tons of documents. But also, we found several other use cases. One is the customer service support, for example. There already are companies which are investing in that topic. Now, the current version is a Jupyter notebook on Google Colab, which this is a screenshot of the execution. But we want to our goal is to have a more usable system installed on a cloud server with acceptable time response and implementation costs. Because I received some question about the final goal of the program. Here, the learning objectives and expected outcome and deliverables. So you can find also in the program page. Okay, which is that one. And also, the expected outcome are an LLM prototype with acceptable time response and implementation costs. About the current edition of the mentorship, in the same page, you can find like a timeline with the objective and deliverable for each week. If I remember right, there are 12 weeks, but we can also use other week to other activities. For example, the training activities when we start, and also we will present our project. We work on presentation for other people and so on. We have several side activities related to the project. Yeah, this is a slide from the last presentation. And also, I checked the system on using 74 RAM, and I had time response reduced more because I have like less than 10 seconds for the response. and I will share the correct time when I finish the test. So if you want to try for your own. Okay. Also, I received uh, several questions. One is, could you elaborate on the primary challenges you foresee in evolving the current Gradio GUI to a more robust standard chatbot guy within this project? Okay. The first step is to transform the current notebook to an API. So now we are open to um, different people who want to propose solution. One is that one which I found on Discord channel, but we can discuss on that. So no problem. So first step is to transform the current notebook to an API. And the question is, what are the key functionalities you hope the LLM chatbot will achieve upon this project completion? One is to have an API, so a modular architecture using like Docker with standard UI, for example, using JavaScript framework like React.js, which could be installed in a cloud and with acceptable costs and response time. Another question received is when the project reaches completion, what are the most critical enhancements you foresee being necessary for the next phase? So now, the first step is to reach the goal, and then we will talk. The idea is to work on a system which will be a product with all the features related to a software product. And the last question is within the timeline mentioned in this link, wouldn't it be great if we dedicate more time to integration as well as our DevOps section too? What if the system breaks in the future deployments? Yes, in my opinion, the integration DevOps are topics related to a product. And so we'll talk later when we have a good prototype. Yeah, it's very important. There is a big topic currently related to DevOps applied to machine learning and LLM, which is LLM Ops. So we will apply when we have a good prototype. Any any other question? Okay, I see. Okay, if you, I can start. I can present myself, and if available, Arunma after me, and please present yourself in that meeting. Okay, I'm Gianluca Capuzzi. I'm a software engineer. I started this project during the previous edition of the Hyperledger mentorship program, and we implemented proof of concept of an AI chatbot. And after that, we started this project to implement a prototype and maybe a product. And this is very interesting, in my opinion. So we decided to start with another edition of the Hyperledger mentorship program to have people who want to participate to the project want to learn the background of the project and also want to use this opportunity to upskill. So please, Aruma, thank you.
Yeah. So, can you hear me?
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
clear.
So, hello everyone. My name is Salima Chaudhary, and I am currently a master's student in IT Warangal. I was a part of the LFX mentorship in the last cohort, and it was an amazing journey. And that's when this project started. I was a mentee for the documentation task force project under Bobby, and I had an amazing time with my other co-interns who were participating in the project. And currently, I'm also a research and development intern in status. So that's about me. And yeah, thank you, Gianluca.
Thank you very much. And Jose Carlos Regala, do you want to present? Do you have a question?
Hello, am I audible?
Hello. Yes, yes, Jose. Hello.
Yes, you are.
Um, should I turn on my camera?
Uh,
Yeah, sure.
if
Yeah,
you
you
want,
can
yes,
if you
if you
want.
want.
If you want, you can. No problem.
Um, Hello, my name is Carlos Regala. I'm a master's student from the Philippines. I just finished my first internship where I integrated sports betting AI into our front end. So I saw this internship opportunity and it seems really exciting, which is why I wanted to try going for it. Thank you.
Thank you too. Hi, Sean. You are, if you are available or you have a question.
Hi, my name is Sean. I'm a current first year at the University of Florida studying computer science, and I found out about this project because I wanted to work in a Web3 related industry, and I felt like this was a great opportunity to work under a great industry professional that could guide me along the path. And one question I had was, is it okay if I ask this? How many mentees are you accepting for this project?
Okay, I think the number is not, we have not limit at the moment. If I remember right, we have no limit at the moment. We can um, have several mentees, as in the last edition. Correct, Arunima? Remember you
Yeah, so in the last edition, when I was a mentee, there was only one mentee selected per project. Not very sure what is going to happen this time. But yeah, even if you're not selected, what you can do is that you can you can continue attending the meetings and contribute to the project and uh, also like even if you're not like maybe under like who is getting some stipend or bonus, uh, whatever you work you do it will be public, and most importantly the other fellow interns who are working with me, they also like Bobby also wrote a recommendation letter for them as a proof that they have worked with us for 6 months. So yeah, even if you're not selected, you can still work in the project. You can get the experience um, and yeah, contribute to the project and keep us.
Thank you so
thank
much.
thank you, Arunima. Thank you, Sean. Action, you're available.
Hi everyone.
Hi, everyone.
So I'm Akshan and I'm from currently third year computer science student from India. And currently I was also working on various LLM and AI technologies because it is in the boom right now. So I saw this project on LFX site. So I thought like it is a good project, like currently what I am doing and what the project asks for. And like I was really interested in it. And another question I wanted, most of it is clear by today's slides, but like I wanted to ask, like front end, we are more focused on the API, if we making the API more efficient, like time consumption and cost reduction, or like making the chatbot UI and dashboard panel for like integrating documents into the LLM, like feeding the documents and vectorizing them.
Okay, thank you, Action. both direction. I try to share again my screen. You can find at the end of the project the timeline. Thank you, Bobby. Oh, today she's not in, and you can find the different week. We can start with the JavaScript and also the front end development, but also we will change the architecture and about the cloud deployment and so on. So we want to face all the topics of the project.
Okay, yeah, that's great. Thank you.
Thank you, Action. And okay. Hello, Swampil. You are available. You can want to present. Do you have question?
Hey everyone, Swapnil this side.
Hello.
Hi Gianluca. Um,
Hi, Swampil.
so my name is Swapnil, and I'm presently working as an engineer in India. And I was part of Hyperledger mentorship last summer, and I'm volunteering to be part of the team as a mentor for this project. And as of right now, I don't have anything to present. And if there is something that comes along my way, I'll definitely help every one of you. And I'm constantly looking into the Discord, and I'm updated. And if there is something, I'll let you know.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I remember you are mentee of the previous edition. Thank you, Swampil. And hello, Ron. You are available for to present yourself. Question.
My name is Rohan from India, currently studying in third year engineering in IT. I have enough questions for now.
Yeah, I think we have some connection issue.
Roman, your voice is breaking. Can you please look into it? And yeah, okay, no problem. We can do it at the end or when he comes back, John's back. Till then, we can continue.
Yes, try to stop the video, maybe for the connection. Okay. Yes, next is Pratham. Hello, Pratham. You want to present yourself? Do you have some
Hello?
question?
Yeah, am I
Hello?
audible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Uh, so, hi everybody, I'm Pratham, and I'm a second year undergrad in IP University, New Delhi. And generally, I'm I'm just pursuing my internship as a backend developer as well as technical writer. So I have worked on chatbots and similar. I did a very similar AI project. It was called AI assisted docs, where we presented a project and similar configuration, like we converted the markdown files of their uh, documentation to be fetched by an AI model, and similarly the ML algorithms we used to mark the things. So it was a very similar project that I worked in, and hence I think I can contribute meaningfully to this one as well. So yeah, that's it. Happy to be a part of it. Thank you.
Oh, okay, Pratham. Yeah, I think some other connection issues, but Sarvesh, You want to present yourself? Some questions?
Am I audible?
Yes, yes. Yes, you
So
are.
I'm Sarvesh from second year undergrad from India, IIT Nagpur. So this is, I think, my fourth or fifth time joining this same meeting. So all the queries and doubts are, most of them are clear. So just to see what anything update on that only. So I joined this current meeting, and yes, looking forward for this project. It is exciting, and I have similar experience in. That's it.
Okay, thank you. Great, Sarvesh. And also, hi, Mansu. Do you want to present yourself? Question?
Hi everyone. Hi. Am I audible?
Yeah, yes, Mansu. Hi.
Yeah, hi. Myself, second year student from undergrad from India. I was learning this computer science stuffs like development, JavaScript, React. So I saw this project in the Hyperlace website. So I stumbled upon to see more and contribute to this project. Although I haven't learned LLM like this, but yeah, I will be learning this. So everything's clear on. I don't have any doubt. That's all.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you, Mansu. Thank you. Yeah, I think. Hello, Pranjal. You want to present yourself? You have any question? Okay, no response. Okay, Muhammad. Hello, Muhammad. You want to present yourself? Any question? Okay. So, any other question? Okay, just before to finish, I want to remember the date. You can find the date about the project in the here. Okay, this is the Mendy application period until the 10th of May, and after that there is the interview and application review period, and the last days of May you will receive notification of acceptance, and later we can start. In June we can start with the project, and we will finish at the end of November. Okay, if you don't have any other question, we'll see next week. I think it's the last time before the end of the yes in 6.
Sorry to interrupt. Can I ask a question?
Yes,
Yeah,
sure.
sure.
Yes. So I wanted to ask about the time commitments as it's written 20 hours per week. So like, will it be structured or it will be like 4 hours per day mandatorily, or like is it time bound because like exams and
No,
other
it's
stuff can be
nothing
there?
like
So
that. It's nothing like that. Just that you will have a meet. Sorry, you will have the meet every week at this time, and maybe sometimes you have to attend the TOC call, which happens on Thursday, almost around the same time. If we have something to present to them, then we attend the calls and present. Otherwise, this is the call that we will be attending to stay updated.
Right.
It's like 20 hours because, on an average, to finish the weekly task, you should have 20 hours in your hand on an average. Okay? So that's what we mean by 20 hours. It's not that every day you have to give 4 hours.
Got it. So that
Yeah.
is all right. We can work according to that. We need to commit to the tasks assigned to us, and that will, on an estimate,
Yes,
require that much time. Got it.
yes,
Got it. I'm
yes.
absolutely clear.
The task. Yeah,
Thanks.
you just need to
All
commit with the
right.
task. You can even just give 20 hours on your Saturday and
Right.
Sunday and complete it, or you can distribute it throughout your the week. It's on you.
Got it. Got it. Thank you. Thank you. That's
Okay, thank you. And also thank you to Swampil for the response chat. And also, any other question? Okay. If no question, yes, we have the last meeting before the end of the application period next Monday. And so after that, we can start with the interview, and on June, we can start with the project. So I think you are free to send us questions using. You have also the Discord channel, and also some of you contacted me on LinkedIn and also or using the email account. So feel free to contact us. We will reply as soon as possible. And okay, thank you, Arunima, to
Yeah,
share
I also
the.
shared my mail. So if you have any doubt regarding the application, feel free to send a mail. I will try to reply as soon as I can. And to everyone who is applying for the project, all the best. Prepare well, and best wishes to all of you for the interviews.
Thank you, Arunima.
Thank you so much for today. I'm excited to be part of this
all right.
project.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, and talk soon next week.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.